Hello my dear friends, welcome to Learn SAP FICO. Friends, today we will continue the same topic, that is master data creation and other setup in controlling. Today we are going to discuss about how to create cost center. Before starting, I request you all, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get the notification of all my coming videos. So let's start today's topic. First of all, we will discuss about how to create standard cost center hierarchy. Friends, in a previous video, when we are creating a controlling area, that time we have discussed how to create a cost center hierarchy. Similarly to organization structure, we create the cost center hierarchy to see the cost center at different levels of organization. At what level company wants to create their cost center hierarchy, we have to discuss with the company and they will tell you on which level they want to create their cost center hierarchy. So as we have defined cost center hierarchy at the time of controlling area, so let's go to SAP screen. I'll show you. If you have not watched that video, so once watch that video also so that you will clear all the things. When we are doing the configuration, we have complete this step OKKP. Under this T code, we have created our controlling area and we have created our cost center hierarchy. Click on this position and select your cost center area. Controlling area is Tata. Press enter. Now here you can see your controlling area. Double click on it. Here you can see we have created our cost center hierarchy. We have given the name for your cost center hierarchy is similar of your company, that is Tata. So friends, here we create our cost center hierarchy. So now we'll discuss how to change cost center hierarchy. The T code to change your cost center hierarchy is OKEON. OKEON is the T code and the path is accounting. On SAP Easy Access screen, click on accounting, controlling, then click on cost center accounting, master data. Then click on standard hierarchy. Here you will get the option change and display. So double click on this change. Give your controlling area. Our controlling area is Tata, which we have created in a previous videos. Press enter. So now you will see the window as we have created our profit center. Similarly, you can create the cost center. What is cost center? Cost center represents the department on which department they want to see their cost. So we have to create multiple cost centers for a company. So as per your business requirement, you have to create your cost centers. First of all, we have created this cost center hierarchy in a OKKP T code. At the time of controlling area, we have created this cost center hierarchy. Under this hierarchy, we can create the groups, lower groups, and we can create the cost centers also. So you have to understand the business requirement on which level they want to create their cost centers. Suppose they want to create a lower level. So here at the lower level, click on this, and here you can create your region. Suppose your company, the scenario is your company wants to first of all create the region. So you just selected your hierarchy, then click on this create button, and then click on lower level group. And at this lower level group, you can create your groups. Like I want to create North region. North region, and then just press enter. So it has created here. So at the similar level, you want to create another region. So give the group name here, that is South region. So here you can give the name South region and press enter. So these represent your cost center groups, and this is your cost center hierarchy, and this is your cost center groups. So at what level they want to create their cost center, you have to understand the business requirement. Suppose they want to create, or at South region they want to create the cost center. So just click on directly, you can create cost center, or if they want to create a group at the same level, so you can click here group at a same level. If they want to create a cost center represent your departments. So I have clicked on it at cost center. On a South region, I want to create a cost center. So here you can give the cost center name that I am giving here. South cost center underscore SO01. I have given this a name for your cost center, and here you can give the name So you can accordingly, you can give your name and description about your cost center. It should be easy to understand. Your description, name, cost center name, it should be easy to understand for which level you are going to create your cost center. And here you have to mention the user responsible user ID, to whom you want to contact, or you can mail any query, any message. So here maintain the user ID, and here you can give the name for a responsible person, and here you can maintain the department, for which department you are going to create a cost center. And here you have to select the cost center category which we have created in a previous video. Press F4 key and select your cost center category. This we have created for a finance. Just select it, and then at this organization, click on it. Here you can maintain your business area, profit center. So our profit center which we have created, you have to assign here. This is our profit center. So you have to do these things very carefully for which cost center you are going to assign which profit center. So we are creating this cost center for a south region. So I am going to assign a profit center of south region. So double click on it and just assign it. And then click on save. Or click on this basic data, and here you can see the status. It is in inactive mode, so we have to make it active. Now it is in inactive mode, and now just click on wait a minute. Now friends, just click on this save button. And similarly, now you can see it is in green color and here the status is active. So like this you can create your cost center. In a similar manner you can create for a north region. Here just select your region and click on create. Here you want to create your cost center, so just click on cost center and fill the other details. This cost center we are creating for a north region department, so just give the name accordingly. Or here you can give the name of your department for which you are going to create your cost center. Responsible person ID, responsible person name, and department. Like this is you are creating for R&D department, so you can mention here. Select your cost center category. I have selected this. Press F4 key to see the list. This cost center category I have selected for development, and just click on this organization and select your profit center. In a cost center we should assign your profit center. This cost center we are creating for a north region, so I am selecting this NR01 profit center, and you can see here in a basic data it is in inactive mode. Just click on this save, so it will in active mode. It will save your data and your cost center has created now. So like this friends, you can create your cost center. Today we have completed your master data creation. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share the videos with your friends. In the next video we will do the transaction. Till then, do practice. Goodbye.